Your product is pivotal to the success of your business, and your packaging is a critical factor in how your product is perceived. As customer expectations have grown over the past 75 years, Allen Field has been the leading manufacturer of plastic components that improve packaging across industries worldwide. We approach every project with passion, care, and an in-depth understanding of the challenges packaging presents in your business. Our dedicated in-house team provides you with a best-of-breed solution and an optimal value-added approach to present and protect your product. Whether it's choosing from one of our premier lines of box clips, plastic box handles, and plastic hangers, or creating a custom solution for your product, turn to the pros at Allen Field. With thousands of projects under our belt, there's a reason why so many companies partner with Allen Field for the right solution at the right time. Speak with a specialist today and find the solution your product deserves. Allen Field, thinking outside the box for what's inside the box.